What's good, guys? Today I'm here with a very exciting video. Okay. So I got my Fenty bronzers in the mail. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them and try these bad boys out on my face. I got the new Fenty 125 face shaping brush, and then I got the two Creme bronzers in the shade Chocolate and Teddy. So I think that Teddy is gonna be my all over and Chocolate is just gonna be for the soft contour. But let's see where this goes. Okay, so this one's Teddy. Excuse me, I got a burp. Ooh. And this one is Chocolate. So, let me just swatch it. These are kind of like, this is literally my skin color. If you can see, that's Chocolate and then that's Teddy. Don't mind my nails. We are in a quarantine. Day 500. So, don't mind my nails. So this is the brush. Snips on my hand. Okay, so this is supposed to be the brush that I used. It's actually really smooth. So let's see if this holds up. So my shade in Fenty is 420. I have on their concealer and their foundation. Oof. I don't know where these black hairs are coming from, but I think I already had them. I don't know. I was feeling a little bit muddy, a little bit greasy. Okay, but so now I'm going in with Chocolate, and I'm just gonna like put it right here and a little right here. But I feel like my forehead is a little too small to contour. I learned that the hard way. So let me see. Do you see anything? Okay, Ray. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! Doesn't look good. Oh, okay. You guys know. after you blend something out, it turns into like, actually, I really like it, but let me set it. And I don't know, I like to set my cream contours with my MAC powder. So I think I'm gonna do that because I don't want it slipping all over the place and like moving when I want it to, you know, stick onto my face. So in MAC, I'm the shade NW45. So I'm literally just gonna go in with the same brush that I just blended this out with and do the same crap wherever I put my contour. I don't know, I feel like I don't know, maybe I'm like one of those crazy ass fans, but I feel like most of everything that Ree does is really like bomb. Like when she does something, she does it right. I didn't buy any of the cream blushes because the color I wanted was actually sold out. So I'm just gonna go with my Juvia's Place palette and the shade. I'm gonna mix Neo and Toby. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I can't say that wrong. Neo and Toby. Ooh. Why you didn't tell me something was in my hair? So I'm gonna mix Neo and Toby and yeah. This video is really meant to be like quick, straight to the point. No one gives a damn about what other makeup I'm wearing, but I'm just gonna put it in the video in case you guys were wondering. And now I'm just going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, so this is like the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I put a lot of work into my videos, so I would like for you guys to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, if you want to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I post content I'm gonna get my schedule together, but I feel like I want to say every single Tuesday, but let me get myself together and see what I can do. But I feel like I want to post once a week every single Tuesday, so be on the lookout. Thank you guys